guys, good morning. So I want to redo my room. Not redo my room, I just put more lights and shelves for filming. So before they start the process, the guy just came now. I just wanted to show you guys before the after is here. Guys, this is what the room looks like now. I have just this bulb and this one here, and if you turn it on, it doesn't make any difference in the room. It looks really dark. So I bought 3 pieces of 18 watts bulb where he's going to put them. One will be here and another here, so that I can light me up from the side, and one will be in front. I'm panting just to give the room some light so that when I'm filming I might not necessarily have to use my ring lights. So yeah, I'm going to work now and you'll do it before I get back. I'll also be transforming this wall. I've bought some shelves. I'll repaint it, then put some shelves here and some accents with some frames. So the wall looks very crappy right now, but I'll get someone to come and fix it. So this is the before. This is the before. You guys take a look now because the after is going to be bomb. See, he's done fixing it. I just came in from work now, and this is how the room was before. Like in the evening like this is the brightness I get. Like this is the only thing I get. So this is the light. Like my room is very bright now, and it has made such a huge difference. I couldn't show you guys when he was fixing it because like I said, I went to work. I just came back to meet it. It looks really good and I love the position. Hey guys, good morning. So I'm just still hyped about my lighting situation in my room. So this is it with the old lights that were here, and this is it with that light. Like I can be taking my selfies indoors now without with. Looks so cool, and my wall looks so white even if I've not painted it. Love it. Guys, the painter just came and he's about to paint the wall. He has already started beneath here, so he'll just paint everywhere white. And yeah, I'm about to leave the house now, so I said let me show you people this, and hopefully I'll meet him up when he's painting and show you the during and after later. So this is what my wall looks like now. Really dirty. Guys, he's done painting and it looks so good. This is what 3 coats of paint looks like rather. So the wall looks really nice now. I can't wait to see what it will look like when I put my shelves and frames. I'm going to DIY the accents. Most of the accents I'm going to put on the shelves. So me against the wall. It looks really nice. Really nice. Good morning guys. So I'm just going to show you the things I plan to put in my room, like on the wall where they painted. The wall is dry now, so I'm just going to quickly show you guys all the things I plan to put on it and the ones I'm going to DIY too. So these are the frames I'll be using. I got these 3-in-1 frame sets and I'll be using them. I love it so much. It's just in white. I didn't have to do anything, and it's really heavy and sturdy. It also comes with a latch where you can put the nails on the wall through it. So it's 3 sizes: the smaller, medium, and biggest. I also got these 3 frames from my store HomeAndCo.ng. I'm going to be DIYing them by spray painting it gold. I want the theme of my room to be rose gold, gold, and white. So I'll have a bit of rose gold accents, and mostly gold actually. Then maybe 2 or 3 things will be rose gold. So I like this frame. It's very simple. Yeah. You guys should follow HomeAndCo.ng because I put out some really nice things there sometimes, most times. I also have this battery operated lamp in my alphabet C. I have it in K and C. I bought a bunch of it. I think I have M. I have some alphabets on HomeAndCo, but I took this one in C for Chantel. I don't know if I want to do Chantel or Kelechi, but I think I'll just do Chantel. That's C because that's my channel name. So this, I'm leaving in this color. I'm not spray painting or doing anything to it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty, guys. And then I got these decorative letters in CKA, that's Chantel Anyanwu. I'm going to spray paint this gold and just put it on top one of the frames. It will really add some spice to my space. I love it so much. And they stand. I got this from Everyday Emporium, and guys, see, $3.50 for one. They're really cheap. This is one of the rose gold accents I told you guys about. I'll be putting there. I don't know what this is supposed to serve as. It's actually a vase. I might just leave it like that on top the shelf. This is from Home & Co. I still have it in gold and one rose gold left. So if you're interested, you can just DM me on Instagram. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty, guys. I also have this flower from Home & Co. that I know will really buff up my space. It's so pretty, guys. It has like nude pink and green, and this is what the vase looks like. It's so nice. So this I'm going to put in one of the shelves too. Can't wait to see the finished look of this whole thing. I have this candle stand I want to use too. It's in red and white. It was on Home & Co, but since nobody bought it, I took it. I don't know if I want to spray paint it or I should just leave it like this, because I figure that if I spray paint it, it will make it opaque and you can't see the candle inside. I have one very pretty Body Shop red candle that I want to put inside. It's like pinkish nude. I also have a green one, so I don't know if I think I'll just leave it like this because it's pretty like this. If there was a way I could spray paint it and not affect this red, I'd have done it, but I'm not sure there's any way. I'm not a pro in that section yet. But so this one, it looks like it's so cute, and I'll put my candle inside. The next item I have here is this bunch of flower. It's a gold flower. I didn't even bother putting this up on Home & Co because I knew I was going to make use of it. So what I'm going to do is, I have one old candle container. If you watch my how to wash brushes video, you see the container I use. So I'm going to spray paint that one gold and pluck out these flowers individually from the stems. So I'm going to remove them like this from the stem and just have them single like this, single like this, and then I'll just place them very cute inside the spray painted candle stand. I'm looking for a sticker where I can get like an initial sticker. I got this idea from What's Up Mom's channel. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, that's what she did. But she had a branch, so I'm just going to place mine individually. That's the flowers inside the spray painted vase. I know it will look so cute. So yeah. I also have that same flower in white and green, but I'm not sure I'm using this one. This is still up for sale on Home & Co. But if I decide to use it, maybe I'll just take some petals from it and put in the gold vase. But I'm not sure. The next thing I'll be spray painting is this gold vase I got from Everyday Emporium. It's so pretty, but the gold has washed off a little, so I'm just going to put one coat of spray paint on it. Guess what, guys? I got this thing for 3,500 in Everyday. Most times, sometimes actually, you get to see nice pieces. That day I just ran into this one and I took it. So this is what the inside looks like. It's from Target. Let me show you guys. See. It's from Target Home. Can you guys see it? Is it Target or JCPenney? Sorry, JCPenney Home. And it's so pretty. I already ordered some artificial flowers that I'll put inside. Those we have some in the compound. I'll show you guys. But I ordered the artificial one. This is the flower I'm talking about, guys. This one. So I ordered the artificial one online. It's going to be on Home & Co, but I ordered about 3 extra for myself. The spray paint I'll be using is this Boom 18 karat gold spray paint. I got this for 1,500. But guess what, guys? I went to another store someday and I saw it for 1,000. So if I run out of this one, I'm definitely going to buy from the other cheaper seller. This is the vase I was telling you guys about. Is it a vase? It's not a vase. It's a candle, scented candle container, but the candle has finished. I started using it for my brush, to wash my brush, but I haven't used it in a while, so it's of no use again. But this is what it looks like. It has candles all over, but by the time I spray paint it, all of this marks here will go away. Yeah, I'm thinking of spray painting on top of this, then maybe when I peel this off, it will just have like a see-through hole inside. I don't know yet. The next accent I'll be using is this pineapple decorative stuff. It's from Home and Co too, and I have it in two colors, gold and this white and gold. I want to use this white and gold because I don't want my room looking too, my shelf looking overly gold. Yeah, and it's really cheap. You guys go check it out if you're looking to redo your space. This is very nice, very nice. So guys, these are the things I'm going to be spray painting today. 3 frames, 3 decorative letters, and a vase. I call it a vase because it looks like one, but it's actually a candle holder. So the candle has finished and I used it. I already have my carton laid out here, and I'm going to clean them now in case of any dust or any debris on it. So I'm done spray painting one part of it, that's the front part, so I'll wait for these areas to dry and turn it to the other side. It looks pretty cool already, and it's just one coat. And I'm done spray painting, guys. It looks so good. This is what the alphabets look like, and the frames, and my jar. So I'll just wait for this to dry and yeah, go and frame it. I'm so proud of myself. I couldn't spray paint the vase, the bigger one, because I ran out of spray paint. But I'm on my way out today. I'll buy another can and use it. So this is like a demo of what I have in mind in terms of my arrangement. I still have a rose gold alarm clock coming in, but it's not here yet. So if that comes, I might put it here and move this one down here. I don't know yet. This is just what I feel like it will look like when I'm done. The flower is too long. What I had to do was cut it with a knife, cut this stem with a knife, then fold it and put it inside the vase. So I'm just arranging it now, and when I'm done I'll show you guys. This is what it looks like. So I just fold it and put it inside. If I had like a styrofoam, like those foams that they put inside it, it would have been better, but I'll just try this out, and if eventually I get a styrofoam, I'll put it inside. It's coming up looking really good. I have this bouquet from my cousin's wedding that she gave me. I don't know, but I want to infuse it in this my DIY vase in some way. I don't know how I want to do it. Maybe I'll just take like a bit of this white, this one's with stones here, clean it up and put it inside. What do you guys think? I already got one out here. I don't know, I'm confused. When I'm done though, I'll just show you guys. Guys, this is what the vase looks like now. It looks really pretty. So I cut off all the stems and I just put them inside here. It looks really nice. Really nice. Let me get some more lights. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So nice, guys. What do you think? I did not put the pink one, the new pink one. That's the white one from my cousin, because it was looking off. I just did it all gold. Really nice. Before I came upstairs, the whole thing fell apart. So I got styrofoam. One new microwave in the house. I took the styrofoam and just placed it inside. So I'm just tucking the stems of the flower inside, and it's more sturdy now. It's not moving anywhere. Guys, I just finished spray painting this vase, and this is the actual gold I was looking for. I think that first one I used in spray painting the frames is a fake one. This is 18 karat gold. See how cute it looks. This is what I was going for with my frames and the other things I spray painted, but it did not work out, so I'll just use this one. I love this is what it came out to be. It's so nice. I've already cut flowers from the company. I just finished washing it. So these are the flowers I'll put inside. They are palm leaves. This one looks different. This one has a different shape from this other one. So I'm going to put both of them in the vase now and use. enter. Okay. Hey you guys, I'm so tired. Like, I just finished putting off this whole thing you see behind, and I'm on my way now to the printers to get out the frame. I already spray painted the frame to this gold color there. It's not as bright as I wanted it to be. I thought it was going to be like a very shouty gold, like this my pineapple head here, but it's, I don't know. Me, I'm even tired. I'm not even ready to sweat it right now. Whatever, it's going to marry themselves. They are going to marry themselves together. I really don't care at this point. So I'm leaving the house now. It's Friday, and I planned on doing everything today early and coming back home early because of the elections tomorrow. So I'm leaving the house now. It's almost 4 p.m. I want to go and pick up the frame. The guy said he has already printed it out, so it's just to frame it. I'm doing mine and a client's order for home and co. So I'll see you guys soon. So guys, my filming space is almost complete, 80%, 90 actually. This little frame here, I'm not okay with it being there. I want to hang it next to this alphabet light here. So after that, it will be complete. How does it look now? I kept this space here because I'll be sitting in this middle. So when I sit here, like somewhere here, and it blurs out my background, if there's something behind me, it won't show. That's why I kept this space. I sent this picture to Nelu. I asked her if it's giving her OCD because I know she likes things really arranged, like spaces in particular, really arranged. And she told me it's giving her small OCD. I know it's because of the arrangement of the frames, but I'm going to move that one here so it will be more aligned and organized. But so far so good. I love it so much. I love the outcome. I love the gold theme, and I'm most proud of this my flower. This my DIY vase here. It's really nice, and my name alphabet, Kelechi Chantel Anyanwu. I visit Chantel Kelechi Anyanwu. I don't even know what I say in my intro, but you guys will figure it out. I love these quotes: dream, love, hope, believe. And this is one of my favorite Bible passages. The thoughts I have for you, blah 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 blah. His will, his way, my faith. So yeah, I did not want all of 3 of them being like Bible passages or positive quotes. So I did one positive quote, one Bible passage, and this one is just a gold leaf here, which I'm going to move here. So it depicts like a beauty blogger template. Guys, good morning. I've changed the arrangement again. I felt like here was too empty, so I transferred that big frame from here and interchanged these shelves. This smaller one was here before, so I moved this one here, so it looks like the big, the medium, the small. Then this small shelf that I said I was going to put yesterday, I removed it from here and put here. I did not have any hammer this morning. I had to use my dumbbell, sit on the floor to hit this nail for this one here because it wasn't here before. So I think it's better now. It looks okay now, and I don't know. I'm sure I'll be interchanging things all the time. This CKA was down here before, so I moved it up there, so it's the same color, whatever, with the other things there. So this is how it looks now. I'm about to go have my bath now and film with my new space for the first time. Did you guys enjoy this video? If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you want me to do next. Like, do you want me to change anything? That's if you're not feeling this my arrangement. If you are, let me know too in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.